Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your man, Aaron McCargo Jr., brand ambassador for Cook's Essentials on QVC. And today it's about having some of that leftover turkey or chicken a different type of way. So what I wanted to do is show you how I like to do a turkey carnitas. So normally you'll go to a taco stand and you can get your pork carnitas, your beef carnitas. Well, I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do a delicious Thanksgiving / holiday all year round turkey carnitas. So what I have in my 12-inch rapid skillet, and this is the Cook's Essentials rapid skillet, and this is a rapid skillet for a reason. If you get yourself your turkey from the supermarket, if you don't have it at home, or if you're gonna have a leftover turkey, I just took it and shredded it up, and I added some orange juice, a little water, and the carnita spices, some cumin, some smoked paprika, a little oregano, a little salt and pepper. You don't have to go crazy. You don't have to go out and get all these different spices to make a delicious carnitas at home. You just gotta make sure you have the Cook's Essential rapid skillet because it's a very, very fast taco to make. So as you can see, my liquid's starting to really absorb. So the orange juice, the flavoring of the carnita spice, a little bit of water for some moisture, and now I'm gonna add some butter to this because in the traditional carnitas, you'll have the fat that is cooking in to help brown it. But since we don't have that, I'm gonna add a couple tablespoons of butter and let this be my browning agent for my carnitas meat, which is today, turkey. So you just wanna move this around in this pan, and what we're gonna create is a nice crust on this chopped up pulled turkey from the day before or the day after, whichever way you wanna do this. Now while that's going, I have a Cook's Essentials rapid skillet, and as you can see, I wanted to do something simple like a cranberry, jalapeno, cilantro type salsa. So I got me some tomatoes, some jalapeno, cilantro, and of course cranberry sauce, because we're all talking about the day after Thanksgiving. And I'm just giving this a quick pulse. And that's pretty much what I wanted to do, is create a very simple salsa. Now you'll see this has some nice chunks of tomatoes, cilantro, jalapenos in here. And believe me, if you let this chill for like a half an hour to overnight, you'll see how it starts to thicken up. It got jelly from the cranberry sauce to really help it come together and bind, and it'll be a nice, thick, hearty, sweet and savory salsa. So we got this aside. Let's go back to checking out this turkey meat here. And I wish you could smell the spices along with the orange juice. All those delicious flavors are something that's going to make you want to have this not just on the day after Thanksgiving, but the day after Christmas, the day after Easter, the day after the 4th of July, you name it, it's easy to make. And so now we got this really absorbing that butter. It's going to start to brown. I wanted to do a nice sage sour cream. If you don't have a sour cream, you can use crema, give it that Mexican flair. So in my bowl, I have some cilantro, some lime juice, a little bit of that carnita spice. I'm just gonna stir this up just like that. Let me crank up this rapid skillet. I love using my rapid skillet, and especially for a simple, easy after the holiday dish, because the rapid skillet is all about fast cooking, a lot of heat, easy cleanup, non-stick. You win, you win, you win. So we have the carnitas meat, we have the sour cream, we have the salsa. It's all about time to build this delicious day after Thanksgiving or any holiday taco. Now I decided to take some Brussels sprouts that I would traditionally roast with some cauliflower and some broccoli, but I sliced it up raw. I added a little bit of carnita spice, a little bit of vinegar and oil so I can have a nice little slaw for crunch. So it's time to build this taco and show you just how easy and tasty it can be. So we're gonna go ahead and get some of this carnitas turkey meat. I got me a little bit of that salsa that I pre-made. You can see how nice and thick it's become. Now let this chill. I'm gonna go for a little bit of that sour cream. Stop looking at me like that. You can make this, it's easy. Cook's Essentials rapid skillet. We got the turbo chopper. We got a simple, easy recipe using the Thanksgiving leftovers. And you got your boy, Aaron McCargo Jr., guest on QVC with one of the bangingest, baddest after Thanksgiving treats, snacks, dinner, or lunch that you want to make. I'll catch you in our next video, but try to enjoy this today. Peace.